hey there beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Larissa here. And this video is going to be somewhat different because I don't have any new tattoos or piercings to show you. And I really wanted to make a new video, but I wasn't sure what content to post until I came up with this brilliant idea of me taking you along with me on this amazing adventure and journey of playing hide and go seek with my dog. Yeah, I'm gonna go hide and he is going to seek me. Bet. See, like, during my daily life, especially on the weekends, my friends would call me and ask, hey Larissa, do you wanna come out, get a couple drinks, have some fun? And I, with no hesitation, say, I'm sorry, I have other plans. What plans? Playing hide and go seek with my dog. That's what. And if you think this is a joke, this is no joke. I take this game seriously, and so does my dog. This game requires extra control, hold, hairspray. We get very involved in this game. This is no challenge. This is not let's play hide and go seek with my dog challenge, or my cat challenge, or my fish challenge. This is part of our daily lives, guys. Yeah. And if you think that I'm joking, why don't you continue watching this video, because this game is serious. This hide and go seek game with my dog is serious. Serious. You think I'm joking? I'm not. The dog that you hear barking right now, is that the one that I play hide and go seek with? She doesn't know how to play. But my boy Jackson, he is the true VIP. So yeah, if you want to come along and play, without any further ado, it's game time. Hey guys, so I've been thinking that my next hiding spot is actually going to be up in that windowsill. And instead of throwing my dog's toy into the porch like I've been doing, I'm actually going to throw his toy into the bathroom and lock him up in there for a few minutes. And my mom won't let him out until I'm ready, because climbing up in there is going to take a little longer prep time and some body contortion. Yeah, and let's see if he could still find me. This is going to get pretty interesting. Good boy! Good boy! Good boy! Good boy! Come here! Come here! Come here! Good boy! Good boy! Good boy! Good boy! Good boy! Well, he found me a lot. That's what he thought. Oh, that was fun, but it lasted.
About time. I don't know, I locked the gate. I'm sorry, honey. But you still found me. Come here, boy. Come here. Woo. Well, that's all the hiding spots I could think of right now, and we are both pretty freaking tired. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video just as much as we enjoyed playing. So please, please, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.